hindi naman ang bala, hindi naman namimili yan eh. So what's your question?
Ito rin po bang mga bata na ito na nadamay at namatay dahil sa gera po sa war and drugs, do you consider din po ang mga kabataang ito na collateral damage?
Damay pala, collateral damage. If they were not the intended target, what can we do? Can you control the direction of the bullet when it comes out of the barrel of the gun of the police and it will hit a person, go through the body of that person and hit another person?
Kaya Mr. President,
alam mo, kung may police, I'm now a civilian, kung may police magpatay ng bata, maasahan mo mismo dyan, babaril.
kaya nga po Mr. President, do you consider them as collateral damage?
Collateral damage. So wala tayong magawa.
And do you take responsibility para po ba sa mga ito?
Well, of course. If it is the job of the police doing his job, may collateral damage na tama, akin yan. Bakit po? Hindi naman ang bala, hindi naman namimili yan eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, correct.
Thank you.
I ask you full responsibility.